1 year on from the world debut of the GR Supra at the 2019 North American International Auto Show in Detroit, Toyota announced details of the first extension of its sports car range with the introduction of a new 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. Offered in addition to the established 3.0-liter, straight-six turbo unit, this new powerplant will deliver dynamic benefits as well as bringing GR Supra to a wider customer base. The GR Supra, the first global model to be developed by Toyota Gazoo Racing, is a purebred sports car, with a front-engine, rear-wheel drive configuration, compact two-seater design and dimensions that achieve the golden ratio for optimum handling. The new 2.0-liter engine widens its market appeal and, being lighter and more compact than the 3.0-liter unit, improves the car's inertia characteristics and chassis balance for even sharper handling. Equipment features and option packs. At entry level, the new 2.0-liter GR Supra will be offered in live specification, with standard features including 18-inch alloy wheels, a 4-speaker audio system with 8.8-inch display and sports seats upholstered in black Alcantara. Toyota Supra safety will also be provided, equipping the car with a pre-crash safety with braking function, pedestrian and cyclist detection with braking function, lane keep assist (LKA) with active steering, road sign assist and an intelligent speed assist. Customers can build on this specification to suit their preferences for style, performance and connectivity with a series option packs. The Connect pack adds a navigation system and connectivity for links to useful online services, while the Sport pack introduces an active differential, adaptive variable suspension and sports quality brakes to increase the car's performance driving potential. The Premium pack provides high-quality comfort and convenience features, including a 12-speaker JBL premium sound system, head-up display, wireless smartphone charger, black leather upholstery and power seat adjustment with memory setting. It also takes in the elements of the Connect pack, plus additional storage and lighting features.